Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. It is Monday, August 21, 6:19:20 a.m. East Coast. I'll remind you again, August, we are down 4.5%, 4.57% for the month. We have 3 green weeks in a row. We covered this over the weekend video, so you want to pay attention to that. And again, it's 249 points for the month of August. You have NVIDIA is your big daddy reporting on Wednesday after the close. Friday is Jerome Powell at Jackson Hole. Futures are up nicely. NASDAQ is up 92 points. The Dow is up 126. The ES is up 21 points, and the Russell is up 6.5. I'll have you pay attention over here to the RSIs down on the lower portion of your screen. Not overbought, but obviously, having made this move from 43.50 up to 44.04, where we are coming close to having gotten into the overbought zone. So, again, it's Monday. We're at the 5-day moving average. You've learned all about that. We're at the 5-day moving average over on the NASDAQ, over on the YM, and over on the Russell. 5-day moving average. Continue to be what it is and what it always was meant to be. Support when you're underneath it or above it, resistance when you're below it. No earnings in the morning. After the market, you've got Zoom, FlexSteel, Fabrinet, blah, 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 blah. If you want to be involved in Zoom prior to earnings, just send me a message over in the chat. I'll share the chart, share the views on it. Have not looked at Zoom in over a year, but charts are updated. Lowe's tomorrow morning, Dick's, BJ's. That should be fucking. They should get an award for putting Dick's and BJ's reporting on the same day. I mean, come on, man. What? How can you not laugh at that? So anyway, Wednesday before the open, you have due to be bankrupt Peloton, Advanced Auto Parts, a big one again. If you want to be involved, Foot Locker, another one. NVIDIA, Splunk going to be Wednesday after the close. So again, if you want anything, if you want to be involved in anything, let me know. As of right now, 43.90, looking around 44, 43.43. Again, you've got 3 green week or red weeks. You got 3 red weeks. You've had a considerably large fall down, but you have not sold off. You have not yet to sell off. This was just looking at a 3-day chart here on the SPX, this was nothing but a slow grind to the downside. Came right to that 23.6 retracement like I shared and had a nice bounce there on Friday, right to the 100% off the COVID lows. 100% above the COVID low close is up here at 44.74, which is our, call it upside, best case optimistic for the course of this week. Over here again on SPY, looking at a 15-day chart so you can see how we just slowly weaned down until last week. Never having a sell-off last week. Volume never supported it being a sell-off day. Right to that 23.6, and here we are bouncing up 5 points, like you see on the ES, 50 points. And right there at support, almost around 43, 439. VIX, again, like the VIX, hit that Fibonacci right there, 1892 on Friday, had a gap up overnight, filling that gap as we come down. VIX below 17 will be a temporary bullish indicator. As long as it's above 1622, you've got to be really careful with your bullish thesis. Down to 1542, more importantly, down to 1451, and you really, really need to take advice or take caution, even though your 4-hour charts, like we said, are extremely oversold and we are due to get a bounce. So that's what we're looking at for now. The QQQ here, having come down, hit that 200 extension. Also having hit its 23.6 retracement, going down to the 2023 lows at 357.78, not on this chart. Having a nice little bounce up about 6 points, 5 points, same thing right over here. Still very, very far off any upside targets. So take it light, take it easy. It's Monday. No need to force yourself to be in a trade. Again, Wednesday's the big day after NVIDIA. Friday, the even bigger one with Jackson Hole.